It's January the 14th today. Starting to get a little chilly here. Well, it's like 65 now. Pretty chilly for this part of the country anyway. Oh, there's one, guys. There's one. A nice one. Come on, buddy. Right. Yeah. It's a big one. You guys can see that? I'd say it's about 4 or 5 pounds. Mare. It's about a 5 pounder there. Pretty good, wasn't it? All right. It's a big one, guys. First cast on the Zoom worm. My first cast, guys. Get him out here. Is that good? All right. Yeah, guys. That's about a 5 pounder there. It's a nice one. All right. Set him back in here. Okay. Let's go, buddy. Thank you for biting, pal. Oh, yeah. There he goes. First cast on the plastic worm.